If you are tired of dealing with dust bunnies in hard-to-reach spots or endlessly untangling hair from your vacuum brush, you need to see what Roborock just pulled off. Today, we are diving into the Roborock Saros 10R, and this machine is redefining what it means to have a truly set-it-and-forget-it home cleaning routine. The first thing you'll notice is how incredibly slim this thing is. At just 3.14 inches tall, the Saros 10R ditches the bulky, raised LiDAR turret found on traditional robots, allowing it to glide effortlessly under sofas, beds, and tight furniture where other vacuums simply can't fit. But don't let that sleek profile fool you. It is an absolute powerhouse. It is packed with industry-leading hyperforce suction that makes quick work of everything from fine dust to stubborn debris on both carpets and hard floors. What really sets this model apart is how it handles maintenance. If you have pets or long hair in your home, the new Duo Divide main brush and FlexiArm Riser side brush are going to be your new best friends. They are specifically engineered to ensure zero hair tangling, which means no more gross manual cleanup sessions. Plus, with its intelligent AdaptiLift chassis, this robot can actually climb over obstacles up to 4 centimeters high and automatically lift its brushes and mops to keep your carpets dry and clean. When it's finished, the 10-in-1 multifunctional dock 4.0 takes over completely. It automatically empties the dustbin, washes the mop pads with 176 degrees Fahrenheit hot water, and uses heated air drying to keep everything hygienic and odor-free for up to 70 days. Between the advanced StarSight 2.0 navigation that maps your home with pinpoint precision and the ability to check in on your pets with the built-in two-way video camera, the Saros 10R isn't just a vacuum. It is a total home cleaning assistant. If you are ready to reclaim your time and keep your floors spotless without lifting a finger, this is the upgrade you have been waiting for. Click the link below for the best price available right now, and let me know in the comments, what is the one room in your house that you hate cleaning the most? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.